Hey guys, this is Darcy Burkow with MarineMax Pensacola. We're going to run through this Harris brand new 230 Solstice. This is one of our popular boats, and that has the L lounge group, as you can see in the back, that is totally laying down for extra lounging. There is a cooler off on the port side with your controls as you have your entertainment in the back. Has a swim ladder in the back. It is powered by a Mercury 250 4-stroke engine that is very accessible and easy to use and quiet running. This does have the extended deck, as you see on the platforms when you're out on the beach. As we go forward into the console, you can see we have the nice big Simrad screen, the sports steering wheel. This does have the larger captain's chair with the flipped-up bolster. And of course, new, now we have a wireless charging port for your phone. JL stereo, it is upgraded with the subwoofer and the amp. This is a towered boat that's lit, and it also has a bimini top. Have side armrests throughout. Locker, this is a full tri-tune boat, so it goes down the full lengths, performance boat. Very well running and lit on the top and the side and the back at night when you want to do your entertaining. Come down to see us with more boats like this here at MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Darcy Burkow. Hope to see you soon.